Have you ever entered a trade where you were in and out of profit very quickly? Scalping is exactly that, especially when you are trading on the 1-minute time frame. But what is the problem? Too much noise, too many false signals, and thousands of times the price goes up just a few pips and then comes back down quickly. This is where the combination of VWAP and EMA9 can work wonders. These two tools not only show you where the market is going at the moment, but they also give you strong confirmations to enter. To be successful in scalping, you need to know what tool you are using and exactly what you expect from it. In this strategy, we have two key elements: VWAP, volume weighted average price, and EMA9, exponential moving average with a period of 9. VWAP is an average price that is weighted by trading volume. Simply put, VWAP shows us what price, on average, market participants have traded at during the day. When the price is above VWAP, there is usually more buying pressure, and when the price is below it, there is more selling pressure. This line is very important for many institutional traders and acts as a psychological support resistance level. Next to it, we have EMA9, a very short period exponential moving average that reacts quickly to price changes. Since our time frame is 1 minute, EMA9 is one of the best tools for detecting sudden changes in momentum. Using EMA9, you can get very fast and sensitive entry and exit signals. But only when used in combination with VWAP, the accuracy of these signals is multiplied. If you haven't tried this combination yet, test it out on a demo account today and see how much accuracy it can give to your decisions. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Third, to have an accurate and effective entry in the 1-minute scalping time frame, there must be a clear and repeatable logic behind each decision. Here we use the combination of VWAP and EMA9 to define the entry conditions. The first step is to wait for the EMA9 to cross the VWAP. This crossing should be in the direction of the market trend. For example, if the EMA9 breaks VWAP from below to above, this usually signals the start of an uptrend. Conversely, if the EMA9 breaks VWAP from above to below, it is a sign of selling pressure and a possible downtrend. After this initial breakout, don't rush. Wait for the price to return to VWAP or EMA9. This is the pullback. Why? Because a pullback causes traders who were left behind in the previous breakout to now enter and amplify the momentum. In the third step, when the price reacts to the EMA9 and moves back in the direction of the initial breakout, that is our entry point. Here you enter the trade with the confirmation of the trend via EMA9 and support or resistance from VWAP. The important thing is that you should check the chart live and only enter when you get both confirmations, both the initial breakout and the pullback confirmation. 4. No strategy is reliable without risk management, especially when it comes to 1-minute scalping, where prices go up and down like lightning. In this VWAP plus EMA9 strategy, we need to know exactly where to enter, but more importantly, we need to know where to exit, whether at a profit or a loss. When you open a long or short position, the first thing you should do is set a stop loss. The easiest and safest way is to place your SL just behind the pullback. For example, if you are in a long position and the price has risen above VWAP, pulled back, and returned to EMA9, your stop loss should be slightly below that pullback point. That way, if the price rebounds and the previous breakout is a fake out, you can exit quickly. As for the take profit, there are a few options. You can use a risk-reward ratio, for example 1:2 or 1:3. or exit when EMA9 changes direction again and crosses negative with VWAP. It is also recommended to test it with a real demo account to see how the strategy behaves in different market times. New York, Asia, or London Open will behave differently. Ultimately, the principle of scalping is based on taking small but recurring profits, not chasing big and crazy profits. Risk management is about knowing when to enter, but more importantly, knowing when to exit. If you liked this strategy and felt it helped you, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what your experience was. Were you able to profit from it, or do you have any questions about its details? I'm here to help.